Hey guys, today is gonna be a Father's Day special. Today the kids are gonna help me make what are we gonna make?
A cake.
A strawberry shortcake. So we're gonna do 2.5 cups of flour. Container. Oh, good job. Pour it all in there. So we are gonna sift it. Ready? Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake. Now we are going to do 1 teaspoon of baking powder.
Ooh. Okay.
Put the whole thing in there. All right.
That's so cool.
Another teaspoon.
Nova.
Now dump it in there.
Dump it in it.
Good job. Now we are going to do 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Real small. Put the salt in there. Okay. So open the butter. We're gonna put 2 sticks of butter in there. Don't drop it. Ew, why are you looking at it? And then we're gonna do 1/3 of oil. Make sure you don't drop it. Go ahead, pour it in there.
Okay.
Job.
Can I do it?
2.5 cups of sugar.
Sugar? That's down my water.
And now put it down in there.
That's down my water.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and turn the mixer on.
Because my butter was not room temperature, the ingredients did not stir correctly. This was mistake number 1.
Okay, now I'm gonna add 4 eggs, 1 at a time. In between the mixer going, you want to scrape the sides of the bowl to make sure it has been properly mixed in there. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and add 3/4 of sour cream.
Pour it with 2 hands. It can't go.
Good job.
Your turn.
And now we're gonna do 3/4 of whole milk.
Ooh.
Be careful, hold with both hands. Pour it in there.
Okay. Ooh.
Good job. All right, we're gonna do 4 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
My turn.
Hold this. Ready? Okay. You gotta hold it straight. We're gonna do it 4 times. Ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. Oh Lord. I'm just gonna do a little more razzle dazzle.
That was a lot of extract.
We're gonna do 1 teaspoon of almond extract.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Looking good.
No, we're not mixing it.
Mistake number 2. The sour cream was not room temperature, nor was the milk.
So I went ahead and preheated my oven to 325. I have my liquid mix and my dry mix. Okay, I'm gonna slowly add. So I'm just gonna start off by adding just 1 cup of the flour mix and 1/2 of a cup of the liquid mix. And mix the sides. Add another cup of the flour mix and 1/2 a cup of the liquid mix. Mix again. Alright, I'm gonna add the rest of the flour mix that I have, and then the last bit of the liquid mix. Now we are going to spray our bowls
Yay!
with a non-stick butter so it doesn't stick. Wait. Good job. All right, that was 2.
Noah?
Don't get the edges.
Yeah, the itch.
Now we are going to pour it.
Pour it?
Help me pour it.
Okay.
Now we're not gonna pour all of it because we gotta pour half in yours.
What is that?
It's the cake mix.
Yeah.
Okay. Good job.
That was so yummy.
I'm not very good at making cake, okay?
Okay. Yeah. I like things.
All right, time to put in the oven. All right, we are gonna check this in 40 minutes, guys. We're going to take 16 ounces of thawed out strawberries and put them in the blender. Now we're gonna pour our frozen strawberries into the pot. And we're gonna add a cup of sugar. All right, now it is slightly boiling. So I'm gonna take this off. And I'm actually going to put this in the refrigerator overnight. All right, guys, see, my cake is falling. It is falling. It has been 50 minutes and it is still very moist looking. So this time, what I'm doing different is I am adding the 2 sticks of butter. I was supposed to add it room temperature. Well, I didn't do that. It still isn't really a room temperature. I just put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. So I'm gonna turn it on high and we're gonna do this for 4 minutes. So we can already tell the difference. Okay, so even my mixture looks different too. This was the 3/4 of sour cream, room temperature, and 3/4 of milk. Of course, again, my stuff isn't room temperature. I just did everything in the microwave for 30 seconds. All right, guys, here goes nothing. All right, guys, now that my cake is all beautiful, we're gonna let this cool down. We are going to add 4 ounces of cream cheese. It has to be room temperature. Okay, now we're gonna add 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And 3 teaspoons of sugar. Tablespoons, not teaspoons. And we're gonna mix until it gets firm. Okay, now that the cakes are cool, I'm going to try to dip this up neatly. Ways. Uh-oh. Suck it now. Okay, so I did put butter in the pot. What happened, y'all? Y'all, this 2-hour process that took me double the time, but it's okay. The reason why I wanted to show you guys everything from start to finish, to let you guys know that don't give up after the first time. I almost gave up after the third time because I tried to make a cake before. Epic fail. I don't know what it is with me and cakes, but I really want to learn. So now we have fresh strawberries. I did go ahead and rinse them off. I'm gonna cut them up. You can cut them however you desire. Some sugar on these strawberries to make them sweeter. Here goes nothing. So this is supposed to be like the paste, but it's kind of runny. This is our strawberry sauce that we made yesterday. It sat in the refrigerator overnight. I'm gonna pour it into this jar. Okay, I'm gonna just squirt some. These are kind of sliding, as you can see. This is why I got real whipped cream, just in case, okay? So don't judge me here. So this is gonna help the cake stick. Okay. Think Daddy gonna like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just to make sure, I'm gonna put some more whip in between, since the other cream was just a little too moist. I'm not gonna put as much as I did because I don't want it to look as messy. All right, I'm gonna do what I did for the other one. Now, this layer, you do want to put the strawberries on a little prettier. All right, guys, the time has come. Ooh. Big old bite. Was it yummy? How's the cake, Nova? You don't even want to talk because it's good, huh? It's the moment of truth. Man about the hour. What is he going to think? Good for real?
It is good. We made this, me and Mama and Nova made this cake together.
Tell me we did a good job, huh? Well, we did it. It was a struggle, guys, but thanks for watching us. See you next time.